Hey, if you want to connect your SONY WF-C700N with the two devices at the same time, first of all, on one of the devices, you have to be connected with this phone, of course, and the Sony application. When you do this, you have to also prepare your second device, so in my case that will be the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And first you have to click on this switcher, and then there is like a reconnection process. So click OK right now. And then just wait until you will be connected back. It will take around a few seconds. There we go. And here, when you go for the system options, for this main page, there we go. So here you can pair with this second device. We've got also the history of the previously connected devices. But right now, we have to just take a look for the Bluetooth settings on this second device. So open the Bluetooth settings, go to the pair new device, and take a look for available devices list. And as you can see, in my case, I cannot find this earbuds on the list. They doesn't appear. Even when I go back and click one more time to pair, there's like no Sony earbuds, right? And to get them, you have to just move them to the pairing mode. So to do this, you have to input them into the charging case. Then you have to locate this button of the back of the case. Then click and hold it and wait until this indicator starts blinking blue. There we go. And now you will be able to locate these earbuds on the list. So click on them, just right here. Accept the pairing. Now we are connected. And on this second device, just click connect. You can also take them out of this charging case. Click OK and try to repeat. And from this, just simply disconnect. And as you can see right now, here we are. So when you select this Pixel 7 Pro from the list, in my case, that's how it looks, you'll be connected back. So all you have to do is just to move them to the pairing mode while connected to this device. And here you can quickly disconnect or switch the main device. If you want to disconnect, click on the three dots and then tap to disconnect and click OK, and now I will be disconnected. But of course we can get them back by tapping right here. Take a look. And yeah, that's all for this video. Right now please subscribe to my channel, and that's all. Bye bye.